Ape Pro limit orders just came out. Basically, something that I've been waiting for a fat minute for a user of Ape Pro. In this video, let's go over what exactly limit orders do, how to use them, and why I feel like a lot of people don't use them when they should. Limit orders is just like it is in stocks, just like it is in options. Same thing in crypto. So basically, you set a price and you set an amount that of a token that you're okay with buying of only at that price. If the chart, whenever, if you're sleeping or if you're awake or if you're wherever, goes to that price, it buys or sells at that price. Super simple, but a lot of people don't use it. A lot of people should be using it for if you enter here and you want to sell at a 2x, but you're AFK, you never really know when that chart might wick for a second to that price. So if I was a buyer here at 90 mil, I could set a limit order buy for 95 mil to buy one SOL, whatever. And then a limit sell at 190 mil, 2x, or the second I hit 2x, I just sell 50%, which is my cost. That's what I like to do. So if I'm trying to enter a trade around here, the like all-time high or a recent all-time high for that, or around here especially, that's usually where I enter trades, I'll be like, okay, I know that I always top last, so let's put a limit sell for minus 30% around here, and then let's buy on its own if it hits that entry. So again, another thing is here. If you're looking at this chart here and it went only up and it's at 193 and you see this is a local high for this coin, you probably shouldn't buy it unless you have some sort of information showing that that doesn't matter and it's going higher. But for me, because I am a legendary top blaster, I'll see this and I'll be like, okay, I'll set a limit order, a limit buy for whatever about a SOL minus 30%. If it hits that, then great entry, and this all-time high, recent all-time high, should not be bad for me. But if it doesn't, then this trade was not meant for me. That's what I use it for. So we'll set something for minus 30%, meaning from 130, if it goes down 30% to 91.4, then we'll buy 0.2 SOL worth. Then we'll create this buy order. You can go to your orders here and you'll see that this is here, 0.2 SOL, $40 at minus 30% from current price, $91 million. Very simple, not anything crazy, but a lot of people don't use this for whatever reason. And you can also edit the actual buys here. You can limit the presets that you want, 10, 20, 40%, do whatever you want. Mine is usually like 25 to 35%, especially if you're at a coin here. Everyone knows every meme coin has that legendary minus 50 to 70% drawback. So if you're at all time here at 230, you probably shouldn't buy. But if you look, 230 all the way to 76 mil, so even more than 70% drawback, this would be your greatest entry. But if you're not watching the charts or if you don't trust yourself to not top blast, that is when you use a limit buy. Another thing here that you can do is limit sells. So let's say that you were that guy. You are not me and you hit that legendary bottom bid here. And then you wanted to sell at 2x. So you bought here at 90 mil and you want to sell at 180 mil. 50%, however much I own, I don't have any right now. And if this goes up to 100%, sell 50%. So at 100%, 2x, let's sell 50%, which is my cost. Also, when you do this, make sure you account for fees. Even though Ape Pro has legendary, very low fees and very good referrals, there are still some fees involved. So you should really be doing like 103%, 105%,